Hi guys, this is the grid here, and the grid has got just a box full of emergency vehicles from different things, like from tow trucks to ambulances to maybe police cars to just I'm gonna call it Grid EMS one car collection. Right, here's the tow truck. Car drives up, bed falls down, goes across. Bang. That's nowadays, but back in the day, all they had was the Shell proverbial corgi tow truck. Then you've got Rescue 1 Simon Snorkel. And then you've got the other variant, which is this one here, which I took a permanent black marker to, and I'm sorry I did. But as kids, we all make stupid mistakes. Then we've got the London's Born collection, which is the Ford Transit. Light broke, don't know how. And then there's the Dennis Sabre with the London Fire Brigade on it. You got a Range Rover, Fire Chief. You got one of these ladders, permanent marker job again. Sorry I did it. You got one of these old Leslie metal base fire engines. It's pretty cool. All you Starsky and Hutch fans out there, there's the Hutch mobile. Then you've got the new ambulance from Matchbox. You've got the new Blaze Blitzer from Matchbox. Scania. This truck is actually in real service circulation out in the bush out in Australia. Got the Mercedes-Benz Jeep, which that's my favourite Jeep of all time. Classic English fire engine. It's off Thomas the Tank Engine anyway. Don't ask me how I have it, I just got it at a charity sale or a car boot or a flea market. This is an original corgi Simon Snorkel, but I had a spare Matchbox one and it was missing, so I just put it on to give it kind of a complete look. So, pretty damn happy, and it's got the old suspension spring on it. Very ERF Simon Snorkel, missing its snorkel. Then you got Tesco's finest fire engine. You got a Metro fire eater. Spanish fire engine anyway, because Spanish have the orange look on it. Then you've got the classic Matchbox ambulance. Voila. Zim zam zoom zoom, and then you've got it again. But no, it's two different paint job, no paint on that one. So then you got a knockoff kind of ambulance type thing, missing a door. The old key pull and go fire chief Matchbox, or Kitco 1980. Sorry, Kitco. You've got the NASA truck that pulls the fire department yoke at the moment because there's no truck for that, so that pulls that. That's the trailer of the Matchbox Fire Chief's chair. Got the new Fire Chief Ford. Then you've got the NYPD, or the FDNY, for the Department of New York, big white heavy rig. And then you've got the FDNY ambulance. And the old TV program that was out back in the day, back out in America, I think, Los Angeles, whatever, TV with Fox, I don't know, but it was Emergency 1, and there's the van from it. And I don't know if this is an emergency vehicle or not, because it's kind of got like cutting tools in the back, but it's a bush fire chief's car for me. So all in all, out of all of this, my favorite fire engine is the Dennis Sabre. My favorite ambulance is the NYPD, and of the chief's cars, this one. So that's my fire service. This is the Grid saying thanks for watching. I've adopted a new lookage on my videos, and hey, what can I say? 6 minutes is time enough to be spending with anyone. Hope all you guys and girls out there being good for Santa, because he's watching until next year. This is the Grid saying thank you. Bye bye.